Hey, you know he's being filmed on YouTube, huh? Max Aroni's being filmed on YouTube. Anyways, people, we are here cleaning this truck. You see the difference so far? This part here is what I just did. And then, that's the part I need to do.
That door.
Look at that.
And the door. Look.
Huh? Yeah.
See the difference there? I'm dirty.
Yeah, look at that. This is because I ride my windows open and I'm a stupid smoker. That's why. But we're going to do this. And what we're using is water with Dawn dish soap and grease lightning. And we're going to try it. We did this one here. See, a heck of a lot cleaner. Look at the top. So you can see the difference right there. Now we're going to do this over here. We tried some cleaner we bought online, but that didn't work worth crap. So we're just going to go to the old time. Look at that. That's what we have to do. That's what we got going on right now. So I will get back with you. The wifey's down here helping me. And I will get back to you guys later. Let you guys see what it looks like. All right, here's the half of the truck. Heck of a lot better. We're going to do a couple more over here. But then this is what's left. See the difference? Yeah. So we're going to get these two cabinets done right here. And we got to get underneath over there. And then we're going to do this one more time here. And maybe grab this back wall real quick. And then we will call it a night. And hopefully I can get this back wall here. I know it's hard to see. Right there where the Cascadia is. I want to get this all washed because I want to get some neon paint for that Cascadia and color it. But anyways, that's what we got going on. And I am sweating like a pig at a slaughterhouse. So let me let you guys go and I'll finish this up and we'll come back with the finishing touch. Alrighty. Later. Alright. We got the cupboards all done. We still got to do some more. I'm going to wait till tomorrow when I have natural light and finish it up. I even washed the top of the freezer. Yeah, looking brand new. So yeah, so it looks all right. I think I need to do some more up here, I think. But we got that. All the cupboards done. So we're going to match this out. If you want to put that APU, put it right in the middle so it shuts the AC. I'll put it right on the fan. Oh, so anyway, so that's what we're doing. Got that pretty much done. So like I said, all it is you figured it out? Watch out, Maxie. Alright. Just sees it now?
It's dark back here. I can't see it.
What?
What? I didn't touch it.
No, I got to shut the fan up. It's Max. Alrighty, guys. Before I go bananas in here, I'm going to let you guys go. And thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, and we will chit-chat with you guys later on the next video. Have a nice one.